Hi, I'm Jeremy Like, Technology Coordinator for the Eaton Rapids Area District Library. And today we're going to have a brief conversation about password managers. What is a password manager? Well, it's simply a piece of software that will let you keep track of and automate to some degree the use of and creation of your passwords. A password manager will often assist in creating complex passwords so that you can have a different password for each website or device you might be using. Why would you want to use a password manager? Well, first off, it's more secure than writing down your passwords. A password manager doesn't forget your passwords. There are no guarantees when you try to remember them on your own. Even young people forget passwords occasionally. What are some examples of password managers? LastPass. This is the one I currently use and have for the past 4 to 5 years. There's Bitwarden, Dashlane, and KeePass and variations of KeePass. So what makes one of these different from the others? Well, pricing is the starting point. Some are free, some have a small payment for a whole year, others charge by month. And then you've got features. Which browsers are supported? Most of them will support Firefox, Chrome, Edge, and Safari. What devices are supported? You will find most of these will support Android devices as well as iOS devices, which are your iPhone and iPad. And if you want to get really technical and keep full control, some of them will allow you to run and administer the master server that holds all of the passwords. And that concludes our brief discussion of password managers. If you are interested in having a conversation with me at the Eaton Rapids Area District Library about password managers or other topics that might be of interest to you, please feel free to visit our website, ERADL.org. And you can fill out the contact form there and request an appointment. If you found this information helpful, I would invite you to click the subscribe button down below, the thumbs up to like the video, and feel free to leave comments. On behalf of the Eaton Rapids Area District Library, I want to thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you soon at the library.